Finally, I wake up from these dreams, a 2 years dream to be able to hike once again. This is a challenge, 100 steps. In the last 2 years, I've not been able to do hiking, going to the gym for heavy exercise, or carrying a heavy backpack, going to the mountain climbing, just because of an injury. The injury was happened at my back, at my left side of the spinal cord here at my back, in here. During my Mad Max adventure at the tiny desert in Luwag City, the Philippines, my friends and I hired this renegade car, and after that we go to the desert and suddenly the car jumped like this, and what happened is that I flown into the air, go down, pack at the back of the cars. My back was hit on that like a back bumper, and this is where I got the injury. I was taking a video at that time, and this is actually what happened. My mobile phone was flown away also. Fortunately, it did not broke, but my lower left back in here got an injury which paralyzed me for 2 years. Paralyzed me for 2 years that I'm not able to carry heavy things like used to do it in my camping and mountain climbing, hiking, and even go to the gym for a heavy workout. That's exactly what happened. And now, after 2 years, here in 2019, I finally able to hike, and I thank you very much this group called Global Hiker. This was organized and managed by the name of Mr. John. Here, this is their logo. It's Mr. John contact and WeChat contact and the mobile phone contact. So if you wanna join, especially if you are in China, specific to Shenzhen, then please contact him and let him know that you are interested in joining the hiking somewhere in the Guangdong area. All right, here you go, guys, the adventure with the Global Hiker, hiking at the Xitou Village and to the widest waterfall. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the alarm button so you will get notified whenever I posted a new video. Thank you for subscribing.
早上要开跑，你在我身边。这次的夏天和从前不太一样，单车在经过的田野里轻轻唱，睁开了双眼就只剩下想念。
Uncle, basta ba tayo dyan? Miss na ba ako ni Uncle? Absolutely burning like hell. Oh gosh, temperature is really hot. Oh, this is the team. Hey, 这里有罗汉果啊？
这个是罗汉果，可以尝一下。
可以卖吗？
没卖吧？
是吧？那可以装一点。
这个吗？
可以，你装了，已经装了。你要点这有滴油。
好啊，可以啊。
So many things in here. Looks like traditional medicines. What are these?
那个东西我知道，以前我们也有。
那个吗？ So, what are those things?
If your brother is braining, before is no medicine, but you can just put that.
It's a kind of beer. Oh, great! I like it.
哦，一种15啊，是这种小的，2种25，大的30，大的30。你可以搞一条大的杨梅酒。那里应该是桃花。
这是香梅吗？
杨梅，
杨梅。
感觉我们看那个
It's too sweet. It's too sweet. It's for the girl. You know this one is bamboo.
Of course I know.
No, we can't do that anymore in Philippines. Oh, there are more stuff in here with a different. Oh, this is fish. Dilis, dying. Wow. I think I need to buy some of this. Hey, let's buy this one later and this one 好不好？
哇，
可以吗？
章鱼啊，
This one and this one. I like.
可以呀。Let me.
I really like that one. It's been a long time. Natural. Some kind of tea. I like this one. That's a lot of natural, I guess. Oh, it's something special. You're cooking in here. You wanna see it's inside? This is how they do it. That's the one. I'm looking for the one. I'm looking for the one with snake. You know that? This? Yeah, I'm looking for it. If there is any, then I will buy that one. Help me to clean it. 丢一个。
要把那个给我。
跨不完自问自谜，连吃卡的感觉累，沉溺自我自迷的花呗的委屈，日他妈一宿，安个这个木拉高，安个这个直拉高，身边个几次当绿换日色，被无力残忍那无泪。
This is a challenge. 100 steps. 100 steps. That is a challenge. Oh gosh. Oh, not yet finished. It's still a long way. Oh gosh. Even Superman will going to give up for this.
What you say, my dear?
可以啊，Good. It's beautiful, right? She's from Lijiang.
这次夏天和从前不太一样，单车在经过田野里轻轻唱，睁开了双眼。
Rocky stones here. Let's really be careful, otherwise you slip away and your ankle will gonna be in suffer.
走过的街道就在眼前，经过的路人和我们那是一样。
The big waterfall is in front, I can see it already. Oh gosh, bigger than the one in Laguna. Finally reached that one is the wildest waterfall in Guangdong area. But don't make mistake. One mistake and you'll fall down. Wow.
Don't worry, I will catch you.
Awesome. Dandy once again, and thank you for watching this video. This is my first recorded hiking in 2019 with the Global Hiker. Bye for now and see you in the next video. Wow, I like that one. It looks like so really nice. Oh yes, work. Sorry, I like it so much. You wanna see it? It's a nice flower. You wanna see it, guys? Let's see that. This is how it looks like. Nature love it. This is how it looks like. I love it. There's no smell, but looking at it, it's really nice.